Well, hey, Dan Random here. Now, one of the most important things about camping is having a good water hole. You know, some water for recreation. Well, right there's my water hole. See, told you, the best camping spot ever. All right. One problem with my water hole. First of all, it's dirty. Got to clean it today. The other thing is this. Come check this out. My pool pump is broke. Like I said, that's why I don't go camping, because I got to do this crap all the time. So anyways, I got to fix my water hole before I can finish my camping experience tonight. So part of my adventure today is gonna be fixing the water hole. Yes, yes, camping, love it. I bet you're probably thinking, hey, Dad Random, you shouldn't be messing around with the water hole when you got 220 electricity at your fingertips there. Maybe you should think about safety. Yes, okay, thinking about safety. Right here is the water hole's power box. All right, don't stick your tongue in here, but find the one that says pool pump and shut it to the off position. Yes. There you go. Now you don't get electrocuted. Now there's another one here that says pool light. Now, I could probably turn that one off too. It's not gonna hurt, right? There you go. Now I can work on the water hole to complete my camping experience. You had to disappoint him and say, hey, Daddy can't take you camping out to the forest and the trees and the ducks and the wild antelope and moose or wherever the heck you live. But I can take you today to Home Depot or to Lowe's because we have to fix the watering hole. Guys, it's not all fun and games. Sometimes you got to get things done. And, you know, 101 about owning stuff is you have to sacrifice weekends, maybe, to fix stuff. So this is one of those weekends, but Dad Random's got a plan. He's not going to sacrifice his entire weekend. We're going to get the watering hole fixed, and then we're going to camp. And we're going to camp at the greatest camping spot in America. My backyard. It's awesome. You'll see. Check it out tonight. Dad Random out. Hey, we're getting serious now. Dad Random here. Got the urban camo going, and we've got our last stop coming to pick up our watering hole filtration pump. And of course, since it's an adventure, we've got to fit into the natural environment. Yes. Pro parking, Dad Random. Important rule. Enter like you own the place. All right, guys, Dad Random here. Just got done with Home Depot. Total cost is $300 less than when I went to the pool supply store. Now, what can you get with $300 less in cost? Well, first of all, I got a half-horse larger pump from the Home Depot. I bought all of my fittings, more than I need. Always get more fittings than you need, otherwise you'll be back. I got my pool salt. I got shock for when the kids freaking pee in the pool. I got my chlorine tablets, which I put in from time to time. Even though it's a salt pool, you still can put in chlorine every once in a while. And of course you need stabilizer. Stabilizer keeps the chlorine from coming out of the water. From evaporation, it slows the process down. Last, what you can get, and when you save dough, and don't go to Leslie's Pool Supply, is you get a Dad Random duck. Yes. And of course, I got a monster. All for $300 less than going to Leslie's. What a rip. And you know what? My pool's gonna run for another 14 years, and Leslie doesn't know crap about running a pool. He tried to tell me that you can't run a pool the way I run it. And you know what? 14 years. 14. Yes, Dad ran him. Pool master. Watering hole master. Gonna be camping tonight. Later, bye. Hey, Dad Random here, looking at my new pump here. What's the difference between this one and, say, one from a pool supply? Not a lot. So maybe the electronics gives you a little bit more cost. The more complicated the pump, the more it costs, but we have a very small pool or pond. So, here you go. 2-inch fittings. Lightweight, easy maintenance. I see. You can see the plugs right there, drain plugs, easy access to get to the impeller, and of course my connections. I'll be able to connect up my old pump right to this one. 2-inch fittings, easy access basket. Yes. This keeps you from sucking your hand down the freaking impeller, but you know what I'm saying. I'll put this on, but instruction manual. That's it. Here it goes. Let's get this puppy on. As you can see, I've got a difference in height, so I'm going to have to modify this pipe here. More than likely what I'll do is I'll replace the whole thing. This one, of course, is not in line. Not too bad, close. As you can see, I've got a difference in height, so I'm going to have to modify this pipe here. More than likely what I'll do is I'll replace the whole thing. This one, of course, is not in line. Not too bad, close. So I'm probably going to have to modify this pipe here too as well. So not a problem, it's expected. Electrical should be easy. Access is actually better with this pump because the cleanouts are on the side where you can see them. My other one was on the opposite side. This pump is going to give me a little bit better performance because it's larger, and I only run it a couple hours a day, and I keep my pool covered. So, all right, man, here we go. So modifications. Prepared for that. Now, part of this next is measuring. So, of course, you need yourself a measuring tape. Gonna need some. I got some spray-on hot glue for PVC. Got a lot of these universal joints, and it makes it a little bit easier to match up pipes. A lot of 2-inch fittings. New universals. This will probably go down here to connect up to the outflow. The inflow up there from the filter, I'm going to possibly use a new one.
it's usually better to use a new one. It's better to measure twice, cut once. So every good maintenance person measure twice, cut once. Dad Random here. Job is completed. Got everything together now. Make sure that you put away all your tools. So many times something as simple as this is taken for granted. Kneeling down. About 30 bucks worth of stuff I can bring back. Nothing's broke. Make sure you lube all the O-rings. And give it a shot, give it a test. And anyways, great day. Successful day. Dad Random, out. Hey, Dad Random here. It's the moment of truth. Here we go. Hey, this is Dad Random here. A little behind the scenes sneak preview of my next video. Can't wait, I bet.